Hi, 10. Now we in this lesson we will learn how to expand algebraic expression. So our success criteria for this lesson is to expand algebraic expression. Expand algebraic expression means that we have to remove the brackets. So there's two methods to expand the brackets. The first one is the distribution. So I will do the first example, which is example 1. So if I write the question A and B plus C, so we have to distribute A inside the bracket between B and C. So A goes to B and A goes to C. That means A goes to B means A times B, and we have plus C in the middle, so we have to put the plus down, and then A goes to C, so AC times C. Now in algebra we don't write the multiplication sign between the letters or the variables, so our answer will be AB plus AC. Now also we can use the rectangle method, which is we can draw a rectangle and then we divide this rectangle into two rectangles. So for A, I'll put A on the width. So A will be here, and this side of course equal this side, so this will be A as well. And then on this side I will put whatever inside the brackets. So I'm gonna put it on the length, so B and C. So we're gonna find the area of the big rectangle, this one here. Okay, coloring, my favorite, and the other rectangle, which is C. So we need to find the area of the two rectangles. So I will put, so area, you know, the area is length times width. So the length times width will be A times B. And the pink rectangle, it will be A times C. So length times width, so A times C. So, and this will be our answer. So our answer is total area equals A times B plus, so you have to plus those rectangles, A times B plus A times C. So we can write it that way because in algebra we don't write the multiplication sign between the variables or the letters. So this will be AB plus AC, and this is the same answer as the distribution method. Okay, so I will do example 2, but I will do B first, and then you need to do the rest by yourself, and then I will do it later, and then you check your answer. So this will be, I'll do B. So b is, I'm gonna write it down, p plus 6 and t. See this t on the other side of the bracket? So I will do the same thing. It's exactly the same thing. It is no different. I can write it that way. T p plus 6 is the same thing. So I will do the same distribution. So t goes to b and t goes to 6. So this will be t times p is tp, and you have plus in the middle, so you have to put the plus, and t times 6 is 6t, and this is answer for example 2 question B. So I give you time to I will pause it, and then you have to pause the video and then do A and C yourself, and then check your answer when I do it later. Okay, 10. So I will do A. So I will write the question first. So it will be A and x minus 5. So a goes to x and a goes to 5. So the answer will be a x, a times x is ax, and I have minus in the middle, so I have to put the minus down, and then a times 5, it will be 5a. So instead of a times 5, I can just simply say 5a, or a5, or 5a. Okay, I will do also C. So C, I have G, 6 minus 3G, and then by distribution, G goes to 6 and G goes to 3G. So this will be G times 6 is 6G. You've got minus in the middle, you have to put it down, it will be negative or minus in the middle. G times 3G, you know, G times G is G squared, because any number or variable times by itself, if you time it by itself, it gives you a square. So you put the 3 down, and then G times G is G squared. And that's it. So you need to check your answer. If you've done any mistake, please correct it, and you have to practice. Now you need to look at your OneNote and then do all the exercise required for this lesson. Thank you.